great. Nice and clean facilities. Better come with a car, they have free parking. Friendly staff, good luck with the business. Capsule with amenities. There is an outdoor bath overlooking the ocean and a hot rock bed to lay on. The best capsule hotel experience I've had. The location is difficult to get to, but the staff will pick you up at a nearby station and drop you off. Worth it for the view. Onsen on Is a great place to stay with on-site onsen/spa facilities. Walkable from station, and supermarkets etc. close by. You can't swim in the sea very often, it's too rough. Decent onsen hotel in Izu. Stayed there for a festival. Kinda weird that there isn't any kind of shower in the actual room. The rooms themselves are quite nice and have an ocean view. Location-wise, it's located at the bottom of a steep hill, so it's a real hike to reach 7-Eleven or Izu Inatori Station. Anyway, it was decent.